In today's video, I will show you how to download CapCut. There are several ways, but this is definitely the easiest. First, you need to find the Microsoft Store, then type CapCut in the search bar. In the upper right corner, click on Install, and then wait for CapCut to download. It takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can find your CapCut program on the desktop. Open your CapCut program and go to New Project. Then all you need to do is go through a short tutorial, and your CapCut program has been successfully downloaded. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.